Good evening. Today is November 2, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, November 2, 2023. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, November 2, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of November 2, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.